What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, camera's moving. So what we're doing is this is a group build, 72-hour Thanksgiving group build, and it's put on by, let's see, Jason, Paul, Joe, and Bruce at the AMC. That's the AMC crew. And they're the ones hosting this. So it's going to be a live, well, they're going to have lives starting 8 o'clock Thursday night, which is Thanksgiving Day. So, after, usually that's a little bit after people are done eating their Thanksgiving meals and all that kind of stuff. So that should be fun. So I decided to do this car. It is a curbside. This is the Aoshima Veilside FT3S RX7. Let's see. So the kit is new. It is open. Parts have been washed. The body has been washed and sitting on the stand. Oops. This will be my second Aoshima kit that I'll be building. The first one I built the Skyline. I built a Skyline. There is a video out on that. So anyway, I just want to make a short video, show you guys what I'm doing for that 72-hour build. Should be a fun one. I will be using all Kaleido paints. I've not decided exactly what color I'm going to paint this guy yet, but it will be different from the box art most likely. So anyway, I hope everybody has a great Sunday. Have a great week coming up. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Get some build time in. Yeah, I mean, that's about all I got for this one. So anyway, take care. I'll see you in the next one.